Welcome to WikiBits. In this video, we will discuss the best ways to invest in cryptocurrency in 2023. Cryptocurrency continues to gain popularity as an investment option. One of the best ways to invest in cryptocurrency is by buying and holding Bitcoin. Bitcoin has seen exponential growth over the years and is often referred to as digital gold. Another way to invest in cryptocurrency is by diversifying your portfolio with different coins. Ethereum, for example, has shown promising potential with its smart contract capabilities. Staking is a popular way to invest in cryptocurrency and earn passive income. By staking your coins, you can support the network and earn rewards in return. Decentralized finance, DeFi, is an emerging trend in the cryptocurrency space. Investing in DeFi projects allows you to participate in lending, borrowing, and earning interest. Researching and investing in promising altcoins can also be a profitable strategy. However, it's important to do thorough research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Setting realistic goals and creating a solid investment plan is essential. It's crucial to stay updated with the latest news and trends in the cryptocurrency market. With the right strategy, investing in cryptocurrency can be a lucrative opportunity. However, it's important to note that investing in cryptocurrency also comes with risks. Volatility is a common characteristic of the cryptocurrency market, so be prepared for fluctuations. It's recommended to start with small investments and gradually increase your exposure to reduce risks. Using dollar cost averaging is another effective strategy to invest in cryptocurrency. By investing a fixed amount regularly, you can mitigate the impact of price volatility. Security is paramount when investing in cryptocurrency. Make sure to use reliable and secure cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets. Consider investing in hardware wallets to safeguard your assets. Always keep your private keys and passwords secure and back up them properly. If you're not confident in managing your own investments, consider using a reputable cryptocurrency investment fund. Diversify your investments across multiple cryptocurrencies to spread out the risk. Take advantage of educational resources to enhance your knowledge about cryptocurrency investing. Network with experienced investors and learn from their strategies and experiences. Be prepared for the possibility of regulatory changes and adapt your investment approach accordingly. Never invest more than you can afford to lose in the cryptocurrency market. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency requires patience, discipline, and a long-term mindset. Always consult with a financial advisor or do thorough research before making any investment decisions. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve, it's crucial to stay informed and adapt your investment strategies. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on cryptocurrency investing.